The security lapse during PM Modi's visit to Punjab has been condemned by almost everyone. But what about the politics behind the security lapse? Who loses out politically due to the security lapse? The Congress? Well, yes, but it is not the biggest loser. So, who is the biggest loser? Is it Sidhu? No, Sidhu is a Congress leader but not seen as the face leading the Punjab government. It is the man helming the Punjab government who faces much of the backlash. He faces most of the criticism and now he is trying to balance it out. Hi and welcome. You're watching TFI English, the national socio-political analysis arm of the TFI Media Group. I'm your host Piyush, and if you haven't subscribed to TFI English yet, please hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to receive all the recent updates. Coming back to the story, I will tell you how Channi has found himself monkey balancing after the PM security lapse. Let's begin. Punjab CM Charanjit Singh Channi had been asserting that there was no security lapse in PM Modi's security during his visit to Punjab. But now, he seems to have changed the narrative significantly. The Punjab CM has probably realized that he loses out significantly over the ongoing war of words following the security lapse during PM Modi's visit. No CM or any other elected representative for that matter wants to stay at the center of a controversy, and Channi is no different. He has gone on a damage control mode. The Hindu had reported on Thursday CM Channi expressed regret over PM Modi's security lapse incident in Punjab earlier this month. As per the Hindu, Channi expressed his regret to PM Modi over the security lapse incident at the latter's interaction with CMs on the COVID-19 situation in the country through video conferencing. The Punjab CM also wished Prime Minister a long life. The latest remarks by Channi are quite interesting. Earlier, he had asserted that there was no security lapse. He said, "Where was the threat to his life? Nobody was within a kilometer of you. No stone was thrown, no bullet was fired, no slogans were raised. How can you say, I've made it alive?" Such a sensitive statement from such a big leader. People voted you as Prime Minister. You should make responsible statements. You are saying we want to kill our Prime Minister. He is controlling the damage caused to his image. After the security lapse incident, many Congress leaders traded barbs with the BJP. Punjab Congress tweeted, "PM Modi's ego is hurt as no one came to attend his rally in Punjab. Modi did not meet the farmers for more than a year. That is why Punjabis also did not listen to Modi. BJP is trying to find ways to cover up the fact that their rally in Punjab was a total flop." Punjab Congress Chief Navjot Singh Sidhu said, "I want to ask Pradhan Mantri Sahab, our farmer brothers camped at the Delhi borders for over 1 year. Tell me, they stayed there for more than 1.5 years. Your media did not say anything. And yesterday you had to wait for 15 minutes. Channi himself said there were 70,000 chairs which had been put up at the Firozpur public rally venue for the BJP, but only 700 turned up. What can I do in this?" With patently insensitive remarks, the Channi-led government in Punjab was the one getting labelled inefficient and also insensitive. Channi was the one who faced backlash for some not so sensitive comments coming from the Congress. National President, India Youth Congress, Srinivas BV, for example, tweeted, "Modi ji, how's the joke?" The political message that went out after the security lapse and a series of insensitive remarks was that the Channi government acted inefficiently, and on top of it, it was being insensitive. Other party leaders said what they felt like because they had nothing to lose. But Channi has the CM seat and political power to retain. Insensitive remarks or personal attacks against the Prime Minister only undermines Punjab CM's position. Amidst reports of Channi-Sidhu rivalry confusing the Punjab Congress cadre, the Punjab CM realizes that political mudslinging over the security lapse incident doesn't harm Sidhu at all. It is Channi himself who stands to lose. So, a balancing act followed. Channi decided to change his approach. He expressed regret over the security lapse and also wished PM Modi a long life. He is no longer trying to go into denial mode and is trying to improve his image as a responsible politician ahead of the Punjab elections.